In this video I am going to unbox and review a super budget friendly wired mouse, the Portronics Toad 101. Let's find out if this mouse under 150 is actually worth your money or not. Here is how the packaging looks. On the back side you can clearly see the MRP printed, which is 499 rupees, but don't worry, you will usually find this mouse for way less online, sometimes even under 100 rupees during offers. Now if we look at the side, the key features are mentioned: plug and play, 1200 dpi, high optical tracking, 1.25 meter cable, and claimed 3 million click life. Not bad for basic daily use mouse. Inside the box it's simple, you just get the mouse wrapped in plastic, no manuals, no extra, straight to the point. This is a USB wired mouse, and yes, the cable length is around 1.25 meters, so it should be enough for most setups. The size of the mouse is pretty standard, not too big, not too small. One thing to note, it is not a silent mouse, so yes, you can definitely hear the clicks. On the bottom it has grainy texture, probably to help maintain grip, and on the both sides there is this box like textured patterns. Feels good when you hold it, especially for long hours of use. Now let's talk about the build quality. Honestly, the mouse feels lightweight, which is great for casual use, but the material quality isn't the best. You can definitely feel the plastic is a bit on cheaper side, but considering it's usually available for under 150, sometimes even under 100 rupees on Amazon, I think it's a fair deal. For daily tasks like browsing, office work, or even casual use, this mouse does the job well. I can't really comment on the long-term durability, but it does come with 1 year's warranty, which is good safety net. So if you are looking for super affordable basic wired mouse, this might be a good option to consider. If you are interested in buying the Portronics Toad 101, I have dropped the link in the description below, so check it out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.